Alright, back to another video, and today in this video I want to talk about how I earned my first $740 by doing freelancing on Fiverr.com. A bit of history. I wanted to start this video with from the time where I started to learn these things in my school. Now, in order to do freelancing, you need to be a digital nomad and you need to know a lot of skills. Even if you do not have a lot of skills, you need to have at least 2 to 3 skills so that you can thrive in this business and you can do some long time earning in the very same thing. When I was in my school, I was more attracted toward those people who were entrepreneurs, and thanks to that mediocre school where a lot of entrepreneurs used to come in order to motivate us people. I'm not an entrepreneur, but it pushed me towards being a digital nomad, and I know how to gain the skills, how to use those skills in order to earn some money online, and it is not a very difficult process. This is not a clickbait video. I'll show you the real stats. I'll show you my earning in the month of April in the year 2022. I did not want to share any recent earnings because I am not working on Fiverr right now. But hey, because I used to work on Fiverr, I wanted to show you that very specific account where I earned about $747 with Fiverr.com, and let's see how to do the very same. Now, before getting any further into this video, I want to tell you one thing. Fiverr is not the only platform from where you can earn money. Being a digital nomad, you can be a content creator, you can be editing videos, you can be editing Excel sheets, you can be translating languages, and so on. The possibilities are limitless, and here somewhere above is a video about how to be a digital nomad and what is a digital nomad. It will show you everything, and it will give you a few pathways that you can choose to earn money being a digital nomad. Now on to this video. To start a career on Fiverr.com, you need to know your skill. My skill was doing a WordPress website or having some digital SEO skills. Now I was working as a full-time blogger in the year 2017, and from there I gained a lot of skills, and those skills were how to maintain the website, how to write blogs, how to upload the website on a cloud-based server, and so on. And I was very confident that if I have customers on Fiverr.com, I know how to attract them, and because I knew the SEO part as well, I knew that how to push that cake in order to push it towards more volume with the help of low competition keywords. Now, making account on Fiverr.com is not a very difficult task. You can get through the page, you can sign up through your Facebook.com, your Google.com, or any other platform that is available to sign up with Fiverr, and of course you need to have an account as well, right? I signed up with Google.com, and over there when you are on Fiverr.com, you need to put in your bio, your phone number, your email, your IDs, and so on. But hey, that is not the end of the thing. Make sure that you have a good bio, you have included all the skills that you have in your bio as well, because people, when they are purchasing something from you, they want to look at your bio, they want to know that what have you achieved, what is your skill set. If you can earn some badges on Fiverr.com, that is a plus point as well. I'm sure if you have some skills, you are able to earn that badge very easily. I earned a badge in English skills, and that was very easy for me because I was a blogger at the same time. So earning a badge over Fiverr.com is not very difficult if you are confident about your skill and you know what you are doing. Now once you have your Fiverr.com set up, the only part is how to make a gig, and I will show you 2 parts. The number 1 part is very simple. All you need to do is that you need to go to other gigs, the ones in the similar niche, and you need to see what all other people are offering, what are their wordings, what is the timing, how much are they charging for a particular gig, if it is done in 3 days, in 5 days, in 10 days, for 1 page, 10 pages, 15 pages, and so on. You need to be drawing your attention towards each and every single thing so that you can draft your own gig, and now you have your own gig which you can publish over Fiverr.com, which is something that we are looking for, right? Alright, if it is good or if it is a bad practice, I will come on to this later on, but let me show you the second trick. Now on to the second thing is also something very interesting. You can go to platforms like chat.openai.com. You can ask these people to create a gig. You can also include some of the research that you did by copy pasting the content from the other gigs, and here you go. Chat.openai.com gives you the entire content of a gig. Now all you need to do is that you need to decide on the services, that what you are charging for your particular service. And you know what, both of these methods are good, but they are not the best practices to do. I have a bonus step over here. Now the bonus thing is that what you need to do is that you need to go to sites like SEMrush, Ubersuggest or HSuperTools, and all those websites, only HSuperTools is free, but SEMrush and Ubersuggest is not the free alternative. And I suggest paying some money to these people, because at the end, if you know what are the low competition keywords and what are the high volume keywords, your gig will perform far better than all the other gigs that are available. A pro tip: whenever creating a gig, make sure when you start a business the prices are very low. And the only thing is that if the prices are low, you are new in a market and people know your service. And one thing, it is widely agreed that your first customer is the only customer that helps you to grow your business. I will give an example. Now that first customer is a very curious one, and he knows what he is doing. Once he comes to you, he knows that he wants to grab that service in a very cheap price, and these people are the ones who will spread the word to the other people as well, just because they are curious. You did their work very well. These people will spread the word and they will bring to you more and more business. So the first customer is really important. The comments that those first people give on your gigs is also very important, because now when other people are looking at your Fiverr profile, they know that you are the one who completed the task in a very efficient manner, in well timely manner, and so on. So your first gig is the one that you need to be very attentive about and give the best services that you can in order to get more and more orders. If you are getting a few gigs in the very starting point, where let us say you do 2 to 3 gigs and the response was very good, the response of time was 5 out of 5, the delivery was 5 out of 5, those services were 5 out of 5, and those people were able to deliver some comment. Now the Fiverr knows that, and the algorithms know that, and what Fiverr will do is that for some amount of time they will be able to shoot your profile and make it available to more and more audience for, let us say, about 10 days or 15 days, so that you can get more orders and showcase what you are able to do with the skill set that you have. And if you are able to perform good, once you are a level 1 seller or a level 2 seller, at that point you have no worries about making money in your entire life. And you just do not want to spoil your account. That is also a second tip. The third tip is that whenever you are working on Fiverr.com, make sure you have some kind of automatic refresh enabled on your browser, and that is because Fiverr knows that you are online 24/7. And let us say if you're online 24/7, the chances that you are getting more business is more, because the impressions on your profile are more than the usual if you're online just for say 2 hours or 1 hour in a day. Another thing that you keep in mind. Now this video is not just about Fiverr. I also want to discuss about something that I was doing since 2017. Now I am a tech blogger and I'm writing content on my own website since the year 2017. I recently made a new website, and I know the importance of using tools like Ubersuggest and SEMrush. If people come to you saying that these tools are wastage of money, just ignore them, because if you know the exact number of people who are searching a particular keyword and what is the paid search on that, what is the competition on that, what is the ranking difficulty on that keyword, you are able to make a lot of money a lot way faster, because now you can rank your website on those particular keywords. And because you're writing blogs constantly, you need those tools, you need those softwares in order to maintain some flow and get more and more people on your website. So a lot of people on your website, more the time these people spend on your website, better your content is, a lot of money you can generate just with the Google ads and affiliate marketing, and funneling each and everything after that is another story. I have linked each and everything in one of the videos about being a digital nomad in the description below. So if you want to see how to earn money with blogging, if you want to see all the other alternatives where you can make money, you are free to go over there and see by yourself if you can make money being a digital nomad or no. So that were the two ways from what I make my money online, and trust me, if you are consistent on Fiverr.com, this money that I'm showing in front of you, it's 100% legit, it is 100% real, nothing that had been made by me. If you can work constantly and give good services to people, Fiverr recommends you. There is nothing like it is not the best year to start a business on Fiverr, or if 2025 is not the best year, or 2030 is not the best year. Maybe we have a lot of websites at that point of time, but right now, if you are a freelancer or if you want to become a freelancer, you can earn about $750 to $780 in freelancing as a side income. But if you work as a full-time WordPress developer, or if you work as a full-time XYZ developer, or you give some service online on Fiverr, you can earn way more than what I earned on Fiverr.com. Make sure that once you have your gig running successfully, increase the prices, because Fiverr knows that the balance between having a service that costs generally about $80 to $90, if it costs about $20 on a website, Fiverr does not like that. Fiverr will not be able to push those customers to you in the long term, but in the short term, Fiverr knows that you need to start some business and you need to push that business towards more people, and that is the point, that is the opportunity that you guys want in order to make some money. So that was me, Anshul, talking about that how I was able to make about $747 on Fiverr.com. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.